Hello, this is Guy Barker here, and I'm going to give a quick demo of a new exploratory app called Herbi Draggins, which explores how to drag and drop things in the Snap app using Windows 10 eye gaze. So first I will start the Windows 10 eye gaze. Okay, and now I'll bring up the Herbi Draggins app. Okay, now to use the app, I will first click the drag button. Okay, and now I click the thing that I want to be dragged. And now I will click the place on the screen where I want the thing to be dragged to. Okay, so there I successfully dragged a go-to block into the main part of the app. Okay, now perhaps the Herbi Draggins app is actually going to get in the way of the drag and drop things I want to do. So I'm actually going to move the Herbi Draggins window out of the way. So first I'll click the drag button again. Okay, now I'll click the title bar of the Herbi Draggins app. And now I will click where I want the window to be dropped. Okay, so I move the window out of the way. And now I'll bring in another block into the main part of the Snap app. So I'll click the drag button. And I'll click the, how about that, change Y block. Then move it into the main app, main part of the app. There we go. Now, say I want to move one of the blocks to kind of click in with another block. So I'll click the go to block. So first I'll click the drag button again. Then I'll click the go to block. I missed it then, so I'm going to cancel the drag. There we go. Oops. There we go. So I'll click the drag button again. Now I'll try and click the go to block again. I think I got it that time. So now I'll click where I want it dropped. Okay, it didn't snap into the other block, so I'll try that one more time. There we go. Got it right that time, and the two blocks kind of snapped together. Now I can change the what that little dashed box looks like. The box that shows what I actually am about to drag, and I do that by clicking the settings button in the app. Oops, how about that? I closed the app. Well, that wasn't quite right. So let me start the app again. Okay, I manually started the Herbi Draggins app again there, so I'll now try and click the settings button again. Looks like my calibration isn't quite right here. Perhaps I should recalibrate. Oh, well, there we go. So I can change the color and the thickness and the margin and the style. And so you might want to just experiment with those and see what works best for you. But I'll click the color button. And I'll make it green. Okay. So now if I close that, next time I move something, a green box will appear. So I'll drag something into the main area of the app again. There's the green box this time. There we go. And one last thing, if I go back to the settings app, settings window there, I can click something called Animate Drag. Okay, now when I do that, when I drop the thing that I'm dragging, so I'll move that, when I drop it, it's going to animate to its new position. And it clicked in as well. So there we go. That was a quick demo of the Herbi Draggins app. Please let me know how you would like the app changed so that it can work for you. Thanks.